I've been wanting to get a new porch light for a while now, so luckily I got this Dusk Till Dawn porch light sent to me to make a video about. The nice thing about this porch light is look how well it's packed right there. Look at all that styrofoam in there. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and open this thing up and see what the bulb looks like in here. Looks like there's just a couple of screws on the bottom here. So just undo those screws there, and then I'll be able to open this up here. The nice thing about having a Dusk Till Dawn porch light is that if you forget to turn your porch lights off, they'll go off automatically, so that'll save you electricity. Plus it's also more secure, because then that way you'll have your porch lights on at night, so you'll be able to see what's going on. And they also say that it's a sign that you're not home if you leave your porch lights on, because sometimes when people go out of town, they leave their porch lights on. And so most people don't leave their porch lights on during the day. So it looks kind of suspicious if your house has the porch lights on, then people think you're not home. And so having your porch lights come on at night and automatically go off during the day can be a deterrent. Alright, it looks like there's a little screw in there. And there's the big styrofoam block there. There's all the glass. Really nice looking housing here. And the other nice thing about this is you can put a regular light bulb in there. So you can put a full-size light bulb in here. Alright, let me go ahead and turn the power off outside, and then we'll go ahead and hook this up here. Looks like there's the connectors on the back there that would screw into the wall, and then you got your wiring. You got your, looks like your black wire here would be your line wire, and your white wire would be your neutral wire there. You also got wire nuts and screws here in both bags. I like these old-fashioned light bulbs, so I'm going to put one of these in here. Like I was saying, the nice thing about this light is you can put a full-size light bulb in here. My old light fixture had 3 little light bulbs that you put in there. So that was kind of a pain. It's nice just to have one big light bulb you can put in here. Alright, I'm just going to go ahead and line the screw holes back up in here and put this all together, and then it'll be easy just to mount this to the wall without having to mess with the light fixture here. Just has the 2 screws here. Okay, I got that on here. Everything seems secure. And now it's just a matter of hooking all this stuff up to the wall outside. Just going to turn my power off here. I think it's this one, the hall entry. I'll go ahead and turn that off, and then I'll go test it. There's just some little screws on here that you unscrew so that you can take this apart here. There's one on each side, and then we can attach the plate to the wall there. Now we can attach this plate up here to the wall. This is what it looks like up here. We got the black wires here. That's our line wires. We got our white wires. That's the neutral wires. And we got the copper wire. That's the ground. And then there's a screw hole right here and a screw hole right there that we need to connect the bracket to for the new light. It looks like it comes with screws here. If these screws don't fit your bracket, you want to keep your old screws and use those, but these screws fit mine, so I can go ahead and put those in there. Okay, there's the bracket here. The nice thing about this style bracket is even if it doesn't line up perfect there, you can adjust it right here to get it level, because this thing will spin around here. So it's self-leveling, so that's pretty nice. Alright, there's the wire in there. I got the black to black and the white to white, and then I got the copper to copper. And if you need to make some adjustments, you can move that nut right out there so that it'll fit a little bit better. Another thing you can do on here if you're having trouble getting a tight fit on here is you can put that nut on the outside there and cinch it up that way too. So that'll also work. And then you just put the clear silicone around here to seal it up. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on, make sure everything works first. But you can see the difference there, how the new porch light looks there compared to my old porch light here. And like I said, this one had the 3 little bulbs in there, and so it was kind of a precarious to change the bulbs out, and you can only put in the little tiny bulbs, so it'll be nice to have one with just one big bulb. It just has one nice big bulb in there. Go ahead and get it turned back on there. Alright, we'll see how it works there. Just going to turn the setting here to Auto Plus, and we'll see what that does there. Alright, I got the cap screwed back on there, and I got it set to Auto Plus. So now I got it set up to where it should be bright, and then once it turns back down, it should be dim. Once it's set off with a motion sensor, it should be full brightness. We'll go ahead and see how that works here. There we go. Once I got out of the range there, it went down to just a normal dim color. So that looks pretty nice. So yeah, it's nice that it dims down like that. My old lights didn't have a dimmer on them, so it's really nice that they're just a nice dim light like that and they're not too bright. So yeah, these dusk till dawn motion sensor lights are pretty nice.